Sipping in the sky, laid back while the birds fly. From Venice to the Bay, just coasting by. Sun creeping up while I'm hitting I-275. Skyway gleaming, man, the vibe's so live. Still stretching wide like it's reaching the sky. Boats below floating while the pelicans glide. Cruising up the coast, got my shades on chill. From Venice to Tampa, man, that water looking still. Work or play, either way I'm in tune. Bridge like a runway, I'm taking off soon. Yeah. Rolling high on that Skyway lane. Tampa Bay dreams in the sun or rain. Got that Gulf breeze kissing my face. 9aspen laying it down, I'm setting the pace. Just chilling, not rushing the day. Feeling good, man, I'm floating away. From the inlet out to open sea. Skyway flow, that's where I'm meant to be. See the freighters moving slow in the cut. Fishermen cast while the tide lifts up. Seagulls call like a natural beat. This bridge ain't a road, it's a West Coast street. Golden steel with the sunrise tint. View so real, it don't need no print. From Palmetto to St. Pete, I glide with the skyline, dreaming on either side. Camera in the air, catching angles so bold. Every frame got a story that's ready to be told. From the jetties to the docks, from the sky to the sea. It's a ride, it's a vibe, it's a piece of me. Rolling high on that Skyway lane. Tampa Bay dreams in the sun or rain. Got that Gulf breeze kissing my face. 9aspen laying it down, I'm setting the pace. Just chillin', not rushing the day. Feeling good, man, I'm floating away. From the inlet out to open sea. Skyway flow, that's where I'm meant to be. Yeah. From Venice to Tampa, feeling that sun. 9aspen riding smooth, another day begun. Skyway vibes, let it ride, let it run.